Welcome back to another episode of Rose and Gold. As you can see, Dr. Ross and I, we're at a state park right now in Miami, Florida.
We're just checking out the competition, seeing what the kids are doing out here, and as you can see, everyone's having a little bit of fun. People over there are doing biking, over here they're doing scooters and skateboards, and let's get straight into today's horoscope. We have for Virgo, an exciting communication could inform you of an achievement or an opportunity that's coming close near you. So they want to say to explore more. Virgos, listen up, explore more, enjoy
That's
yourselves.
right. And to all of our Virgos out there, whoever's birthday is today, happy birthday to our Virgo viewers out there. We'll catch you guys on the next installment. That's for you, Kyle and Jenna. We out.